Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about probably the most overlooked way to easily make $5,000 per month on Amazon. So many people are focused on these huge, successful launches and, getting every little step right. I'm going to show you that it doesn't necessarily have to be that way, and there could be one thing that you change that you're looking for during your product research that will help you hit your goals a little bit quicker. So if that's something you're interested in watching, be sure to stick around till the end. This could be the video that clicks with you and finally gets you to take action. As we know, human potential is nearly limitless, but what you do with that potential is what matters. Sounded like Tom Billy there for a second. But anyway, be sure to stick around to the end. I'll see you in the video right now. All right, so we're actually going to start right here in Black Box by Helium 10. If you don't have this tool, there will be a discount link in the description that is an affiliate link. I get a little bit of a kickback from that and you get a discount. So if you're looking for some new product research software or just an all-around good Amazon software, that'll be helpful for you. And notice I have the keyword selection set up. First things first, we have to find a product so that I could show you the main point and this thing that you're easily going to be able to do that most people are missing. Search volume will do something like 700. We'll max it out right around 4,000. Generally, I find that most of the things that I'm looking for are going to be somewhere between probably 700 to 2,000, but I do that just to be a little bit more lenient. Sometimes they even bring that up to 7,000 or 8,000. We'll step back out here. We'll go to price. Perfect range for me is 16 to 40. I think there's plenty of things that are $16.99, $17.99 that I would still sell. And also there's plenty of things under $50. You could even take this to $50 if you want, $60 if you want. We don't want to go too high with that right away as a beginner because you start to have to worry about people really thinking about the purchase once they get up over that price range. Not everybody, but most people will reconsider. They'll look at more listings. They'll look at your description. If everything's not perfect, you might not land the sale. So we're going to make it as easy as possible for you. The review count, we're going to go ahead and put no minimum actually, but we are going to put a maximum. Maybe we'll do something like 300. Categories, arts, crafts, and sewing is a personal favorite. Home and kitchen is great. Industrial and scientific, sports and outdoors, tools and home improvement, office products. We'll do something like that. And then that's pretty much it. The only thing we have left to do is monthly units or monthly sales right here. So we're going to do a minimum of about 200 and maybe 225. We'll do a maximum of like 850. That part's up to you, depending on what you can afford to launch. I'm going to go ahead and find something, and then I'll cut to that right now. All right, so I actually do think it only took like 30 seconds that I found something that we could work with. It's called Closet Rod Support Bracket. Generally, when I click onto an idea, I like it to be something specific. For instance, black shower drain cover. I can instantly, like if you could picture what that product is, or if you have a hard time picturing what it is because it's so specific, meaning like you don't know what a support bracket rod is, that might be something worth checking out, and you'll figure that out once you hit the market. Whereas something like this, that's probably a brand, and that is only going to sell 21, 2022. I guess that's the right year now, but anyway, let's get into it. So this is the market right here, and I'm going to just show you right away the main thing that I wanted to talk to you about today. You want to have less than, I used to say less than 50, less than 25 competitors selling the style of product that you want to sell. That's really going to make it easy for you to climb the ranks on Amazon, and it's going to almost, I don't want to say guarantee because nothing's guaranteed, but it's almost going to guarantee that you can get ranked. So the thing I wanted to talk to you about was ease to rank. I don't know why no one is looking at this. Ease to rank. It's so simple. Every time that I have not been in a market where it was easy to rank, it was much harder to get that product stuck on page one where it gets those sales. Every time I launch into a market where it's easy to rank, I stay on page one, I get there easily, and I continuously make sales for that product. So in this sense, I actually kind of, let's look. I like this market because there's different styles of products showing up here, and there's not really one agreed upon style, if that makes sense. So we have like these circular ones. We have these ones that almost look like they're made for plants. We have these ones that just go at the end of the wall. And then when we come up here, we could open up X-Ray, again, another Helium 10 tool. Right here, this is one style, and automatically I'm noticing, okay, those are at the top of the page, but they're only selling 50 units per month. These ones are at the top of the page. They have 26 reviews and they're selling 420 per month. Almost 8,000 per month. And as we look through here, let's take the thing that we said right at the beginning. How many units are ranking on page 1 for the style that we want to sell? I said less than 25. Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm only counting this style because we've now narrowed it down to, okay, we're going to sell that style of this specific type of product. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 out of 60. That one was already up there, sponsored version of it. 19 out of 60. Only 30 something percent are the relevant versions of this product. Specifically these style of products, which by the way, we picked that one because we saw next to the other ones they were selling more. That's the clear option. If we look through here, let's try and see why certain ones are doing well. This is another thing that I want you guys to practice. Look at the product and look at the one that's doing well, look at the one that's not doing well, figure out why that is. If you get really good at picking up on that, you're going to be able to apply that to your own product. You're going to be able to easily rank your product, easily start making money on Amazon. So for instance, this one has 26 reviews and it's doing $13,000 per month. It's one of the more successful ones in the market, it looks like, with one of the lowest number of reviews on the whole page. But right under it, someone has 221 reviews. Why are they not doing as well? Well, this one's in white, this one's in black. This one's a 4-pack, this one's a 2-pack. And what's the main difference on the image? Well, this one's showing you that it has the hardware, right? So as a consumer, before I even have to look into your description, before I have to look and figure out if I'm going to have everything that I need to assemble this, just from the main image, I know, oh, this is a full, complete kit to do what I need to do. The only thing I might need is a screwdriver or a hammer, right? So I can easily buy this product knowing that it's a one-stop solution for the problem that I have, which is maybe the rod in my closet isn't being supported and it's, caving in, or I'm putting up a new rod in the closet. I want to start the right way. Again, we have other options here. What do you notice? Hardware in black. Let me go up. Let's see. Okay, this one's white and it's a 2-pack. Here's an even better comparison. The only thing different in this image is that they're showing that they have the hardware. We come back down to the one we were comparing against. This one, 221 reviews, 2 white ones in the image, no hardware being shown. And the funny thing is, this one's actually charging $5 more per unit. It's all about branding. It's all about the aesthetic of the product and getting it in front of the right people. So this one's actually sponsored. Maybe they're showing it to more people and they know where to place their product. So what I want you to take away from this video, to just break it down really quickly, is I want you to figure out what products are going to have a high ease to rank score, we'll call it. Ease to rank. I think that should be like a software or something. What's the ease to rank score? Look at how many competitors of the direct design that you want to sell there are. If there's 120 of these products, don't even just skip. Move it along. If there's 10 of them, we'll definitely look into that, because you can look at all those, and what it allows you to do is create this contrast bias where you have such better photography or you have such a better offering than those other 9 or those other 10 that you're the clear choice. You always want to become the clear choice, and it's easy to be a clear choice when it's really easy to rank. So with that being said, we're going to wrap it up here for today's video. If you do need help with any part of selling on Amazon, not just this, I do have a program that I run called Savage University. We have people in there now, and we get together every single week and we talk over a live Zoom call face to face. It's a lot of fun answering questions for those of you who are in there. It also gives you access to over 170 private videos, tutorials regarding your Amazon business, from complete beginner to actually scaling if you're already selling Amazon. So that's just a resource that I like to bring up because I always forget, and it's such an amazing program. Super happy to be running it, and everyone who's been in it, we already have success stories and people are loving it. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Later.